my dear students, welcome to Sai Medha Koti Hyderabad. This is Rajshekhar, team of Sai Medha. So here we are going to announce one big good news to you. So that is, we are proudly presenting our third sem tuitions. This is for the students who have completed their second semester. So you can opt our program, that is third sem tuitions, along with the strong ESET foundation. So this is only the institute who is providing you the SEM tuitions, that is academic point of view, along with the ESET foundation course. So why wait for the ESET course till your last semester? Come on, start your preparation from now on for the ESET. So this will bring a grand success for you in achieving the great rank in the ESET. So this online coaching is for the students who wish to enjoy the lectures of saimedha.in or who would like to learn from saimedha.in. So students who are apart from Hyderabad, let us say Nizamabad, Warangal, Nalgonda, Mahbub Nagar, Adilabad, Karim Nagar, so it is little difficult for them to come for the tuition subjects at saimedha.in. Right. So for those students, we are giving this golden opportunity, that is through digital video recorded classes, which is through online mode. So the students in Hyderabad can avail our offline coaching, who would also get online coaching. Okay. So what are the topics that you are going to cover in the ESET? So all the semester topics that you have in this third sem, so those topics will be covered in the ESET foundation. You are aware of it that we are going to have MPC as 100 marks and the remaining engineering marks, that is engineering subjects, as 100 marks. So this engineering subjects that you are having in the third semester, so you will be made perfect with the semester and you will also be made perfect with the ESET foundation. So suppose you are having a topic in the semester, so that topic, how we are going to present it to you? So we are going to present to you topic wise digital recorded video lectures. Okay, so these lectures are recorded in the HD quality, which will impress you, which will guide you, which will give you so much of information and so much of knowledge. So once you watch the digital video recorded classes, so you are allowed to take the topic wise practice test. Every topic we have given some tests. Okay, and after taking the practice sets, so you have topic wise previous ESET bits. So what are the bits that are covered in the previous ESET examination? If you answer them, the confidence level in you will get increased, doubled, tripled. So this will make you to prepare. This will make you to prepare for the ESET examination that you are going to write after your sixth semester. So you have started your journey in the third semester itself. So you will be a grand success once you write your ESET examination, because so here you have to, this is a competition world. So in this competitive world, you have to start your preparation from the day one itself, because to enjoy the fruits once you write the examination. So after the topic wise previous ESET bits, so you are allowed to take again the topic wise online test. So there are topic wise online tests that will be conducted for every topic, and once you write down this topic wise online test, we will conduct weekly test also. We will conduct every week one test, right? So you are allowed to write those topic wise weekly tests also. So all this content we are providing to you at a cost of 5,000 rupees only. At a cost of 5,000 rupees only. Since we are enjoying the success of our TS ESET 21 results, so we would like to extend our services to all the students who wish to take this third sem tuitions. So on the event of this success, and also a special event, that is Teachers Day offer, which is on the September 5th. You are aware of the Teachers Day, which is on the September 5th. So on this both occasions, we would like to give our services to students at a discounted price of 50%. That is, the course that is for 5,000, we are giving it to you only for 2,500 rupees plus some handling charges. So this is a very good opportunity for all the students of third semester who can who would like to improve their percentage in the semester examinations and also build the concept of your engineering subjects and also to prepare for the ESET examination from third semester itself. Okay. So you can also see our success result on the screen here. In the TS ESET, we have 8 state first ranks, out of which in the DME, Department of Mechanical Engineering, we have got 7 ranks out of top 10, and in EEE we got 9 ranks out of top 10, and in civil we got 7 ranks in top 10, and in CME we got 9 ranks in top 10, and in ECE we got 9 ranks out of top 10. So this is our success chart, and we would like to involve you also in our success journey. So that is our plan and that is our program. So we are going to serve you, we are going to extend our services to you, and whatever the program that is we are taking, that will be informed to you by adding you to the WhatsApp groups. Okay, so all this information you can get it from the SaiMedha.in app. Download our app SaiMedha.in. So we only have one app, that is SaiMedha.in app. Download the app. In the third sem, in your respective branches, you are going to find out all this one. You are going to find all this one once you register with our SaiMedha.in. So we are providing this only for the 50%. Right? So the actual fee is 5,000. We are giving it only for the 2,500 only, which is a golden opportunity. So this opportunity is only up to September 4th 5 p.m. So once it is September 5th 10 a.m. the fees are going to be increased. The fees are going to be increased. So why, when you are getting for a low cost, why should you pay more fee? Come on, join now SaiMedha.in and enjoy the fruits of success. Okay, so this is a very golden opportunity, my dear friends. I hope you will make use of this golden opportunity. So the payment details, and if you have any doubts regarding the app or regarding the subject program, you can contact our number that is scrolling in this video. So this is Rajshekhar signing off for the day. Thank you.